welcome back to Perler Bead Planet. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Perler Bead bird. This bird only uses 2 colors, so it's very simple, but at the same time, I think it has a lot of design and quality to it, and I absolutely love the ultimate design of it. I think it looks so realistic and so adorable. For the bird, you will be needing 5 different colors. You're going to need 2 main colors, 1 more of the other, and then you'll be needing 1 black, 3 dark oranges, and 3 whites. So first we're going to start off making the head, and we're going to use our primary color, which is blue, to make this top of the head. We're going to switch to our secondary color, and we are going to be doing the background of the face, so fill in everything except for the actual eyes and nose. Next, we're going to be using our 3 other colors that we have to make the eyes and the nose. Now we're going to be using the rest of our secondary colors, which mine is green, to fill in the rest of the actual body. We're going to do the fun part. Well, actually, kind of the hard part, but you guys can get it. It is the wings. First, we're going to be making the top wing. Next, we're going to be making the bottom wing. And then to finish off our bird, we will be making the other bottom wing. Done with this bird, go ahead and put your wax rubber on and iron, and you are finished. So that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I think this is so cute, and I want to show you guys some inspiration right now. So this was the original Pinterest post. I think this is so cute. Not only did they take the time to separately use every single one of the colors, they also stacked it all up. I think it looks so artsy and so cute. I love how they incorporated all different colors, and I just absolutely love this. Make sure to like it up and comment down below future tutorials that I can do. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and try these at home. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already for weekly Perler Bead tutorials every single Monday. And I will see you guys next video. I love you guys so much. Bye everyone!